Welcome to Smiles and Faces Orthodontics. We're super excited for you to be starting your treatment with us today. This video is intended to help you with the items that we'll be giving you at your appointment, as well as giving you some wear and care instructions to help you take care of your aligners. So at your appointment, we'll be giving you all of your aligners. We do ask that you bring every single one of them to every appointment, just in case we need to do any sort of trimming or make any adjustments, and we'll be doing that to all of your trays. Our doctor will advise you as to how many days you'll be changing your aligners. It could be between every 10 days, every 14, every 7. In any case, we do ask that you keep all of your aligners and put them back into the designated pouch. So say that you are on your number 1 set and you are about to change it to your 2nd set. After you are finished with your 1st set, please put it back in the number 1 pouch. When it comes to cleaning your aligners, what we always recommend patients use is a separate toothbrush and just any sort of soap, whether it's hand soap or dish soap. You can lightly brush and rinse under cold water, and that will do the job. Alternatively, what you can do is use clear mouthwash, not the ones with any sort of colors, but clear, and soak them in there for 5 to 10 minutes. We do recommend that you do this once before you go to bed and once when you wake up. So when you are wearing your aligners, we only recommend patients take them off when they're brushing their teeth or when they're eating. You can drink regular water with your aligners on, but anything outside of that, please do take them off. And when you do take off your aligners, please put it back in the case that we give you at your appointment. This is important because this helps you not use any sort of tissues or napkins, because that is a sure way of you losing your aligners. So in your goodie bag, what we also offer you are these outies, and this essentially helps you take out your aligners when you're not wanting to use your fingers. So what you can do is use this end here, which is where the hook is, and you can see where your aligners are. You essentially want to put it underneath your aligners and just pull, and it should easily come off like so. And lastly, in your goodie bag, we also offer you these chewies, and what this does is it essentially ensures that every part of your aligners is sitting against every single tooth well. And it's essential that you use this, especially when you're changing into a new aligner. And we recommend that you do this 3 to 4 times a day. And what you do is you hold one end of it, and you're just gonna wanna bite along your teeth back and front, like so. So at your appointment, you would have been asked to scan a QR code, which will lead you to all of the instructions that we've discussed today. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the clinic. But welcome to Smiles and Faces.